Good morning guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to learn about attribute selectors. So firstly we have a very simple web page, and within this web page we have 4 images, and all of these 4 images have a different alt attribute, and we are going to be changing the CSS properties of these 4 images by using their different alt values. So firstly, in order to use the attribute selector, we need to open these brackets and type the name of the attribute. For example, if I select alt attribute here and then open my CSS block, now you can see that this selector has selected all the elements in our web page which have the alt attribute. And now you can go in even more detail by applying some different measures. For example, if we type alt equal to and then pass a value, then what the browser will do is that it will go and look for the element which have exactly the same attribute values. And if you don't want to look for the exact values, you can use the arrow key with equal to sign to specify the values which starts with the given value. For example, if I pass small cat set, then it will only going to affect the images which starts with the small cat phrase. And you can do the opposite of this by using $sign to look for the values which ends with the given measure. For example, if I type here facing up, then it is going to look for the attribute value which ends with the facing up phrase. And you can also use the star symbol to search whether a word exists in the values or not. For example, if I type cat here, then it is going to select all the attribute values which have the word cat in them. Now a thing to be noted here is that the star symbol selects all the substrings that have the word cat in them. For example, if I type all here, then it has selected 3 images, but the word all doesn't appear in any of the values, but these are still selected. And why does this happen? It's because all is a substring of small, and if you look here, the word small also contains all. That's why these images are selected. But if you don't want all the substrings to be selected but only the exact word, then you can use the tilde symbol, and then it will only select the elements which have the word cat in them.